Hello my YouTube friends! This video is sponsored by Envato Placeit, but I'll tell you more about that later. Have you ever gone into OBS and found out your stream is missing? Or worse yet, you've tried something that didn't work and it's really difficult to undo? Ugh. Well, there's an easy solution that lets you take a snapshot of your live streaming settings and scene collection so it's easy to load back up. And this means you're never gonna lose a stream again. And you can even take the streams and load it to a different computer really easily. So, you know what? Let's get to it! Likes and comments are super easy things that you can do to help push this video to a wider audience. So take a second down below and let me know how I'm doing. And while you're there, if you're not subscribed, please do. This really does help me continue to make content that helps you. So thanks. Having amazing overlays and streaming assets can really take your stream to the next level. And if you don't have the skill to create it yourself, Envato Placeit is an awesome way to put one together. A video about live streaming tools wouldn't be complete without today's sponsor, Envato Placeit. I use Placeit in every live stream for my wait screen, my countdown timer, my branding bumper, as well as my logo and my channel banners, and even some of the overlay assets. They have everything a streamer could need all in one place. Now I created my logo in just a few minutes by choosing from one of the designs and then completely customizing everything from the color graphics and placement to the text and the fonts. And that logo can easily be added to all the videos that you can build and use in all kinds of different content that you might create for YouTube, like live or recorded. I absolutely love Envato Placeit and you will too. Click the link in the description below and check it out for yourself. Supporting the sponsors that support this channel is a great way to help me continue to make content that helps you. So thanks. Now, once you created an awesome stream setup, let me show you how to be sure you never lose it by accident. All right, so we're right here in Windows Explorer. I have an actual drive specifically for my OBS stuff. So you can see right here, that's my OBS folder that I generally use. And right here are my current live streaming assets. And this is how you should set your stuff up. So everything that I use for my live stream is in here. Overlays, masks, soundboard, music, these are the Monica Cam scenes. Everything that I use is in a designated area so I can figure out where to find it if I need to. But you'll also notice this one up here called Save. So if I'm doing work on my live stream or messing around in OBS and I want to make sure that I don't lose it, well, here's my stuff. Now let me show you how to save these out so that you don't lose yours. So here is my main live stream, and I like to go in here to Profile and go to Export. And this will export everything that's in the settings down here. So that means however you set up your live stream, your output, your audio, your video, your hotkeys, your advanced, and anything in general that you have set up in here, that's what your profile is going to save. So I'm going to go ahead and select the correct profile. In this case, it's my live stream profile. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to click Export. And then I'm going to go to the folder where I want my saves to go. We can just select that folder. And now if I go in there, you can see right there is all of the information about my live stream. Now, we can also save out scene collections. So I'll usually go in here and I'll go to Export and I'll save this in the exact same spot. And I like to do this just because if I change something up or I'm testing something and I don't know if it's going to work, I don't have to worry about going back to it. So I'll go into that same folder and I'll go ahead and I will put the date on here usually, and there we go. So now if I go in here, we can see it's all loaded up. Let's say somehow I deleted my entire profile or my OBS got messed up and I lost the entire setup. Well, I can go into Profile and I can go to Import, and then I just go to that exact location and we select the folder and it will load up our live stream in here. And we can also do the same thing with our scene collection. We can go to Import and all we have to do is tell it where the collection path is. So we could select this one right here, open and import And then if I go into my scene collection here, you can see right here it is listed. So it will definitely find your stuff. Now you can see right here, you can check for missing files. Well, that's the reason why you want to save this into the same profile location as all of your live streaming assets. So now if I wanted to move this live stream to another computer or another platform, I can just go here, I can copy this, I can paste it to a thumb drive, and I can move the whole thing to another computer and just load it in. And boom, my live stream is now on a new computer, completely loaded in. Now, if you don't have all of the plugins and everything active on that computer, you're gonna have to go and find those plugins and install them for your live stream, but otherwise, it will work, all the assets will be there, and everything will be perfect. So that is how you make sure that you never lose your live stream or accidentally delete it out of OBS or anything like that. Really simple. If you want to see how you can create a professional looking overlay for your streams for free, you should check this video out. Big thanks to today's sponsor, Envato Playsets. You can find their links and all the other sponsors that support the channel in the description below under the heading Sponsors. Supporting the sponsors that support this channel is a great way to help me continue to make content that helps you. And I couldn't possibly do this without them or you. So thanks. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks that can help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.